Good morning, friends. Today we go for other methods of ellipse. So in the previous video we discussed other methods of parabola. Three methods are there that we discussed, and in this video we are going to discuss about other methods of ellipse. So here five methods are there. These methods are very important. So see here, five methods are: one is the concentric circles method, and second one is rectangle method, and third one is parallelogram method, and fourth one is four center method, and fifth one is arcs of circles method, or we can call it is Foci method. So first we go for concentric circles method. So okay, so first go for concentric circles method. So here in this concentric circles method, the major and minor axis he will give. So major axis is assume that 100 mm major axis AB is equal to, and minor axis CD is equal to, assume that 70 mm. Major and minor axis is given, and by using this concentric circles method, draw an ellipse. Okay, that is the question. So first what you have to do, take the major axis. So take the horizontal line. So this is the major axis is equal to AB. AB is equal to 100 mm. Take the center point and draw the minor axis line. So total 70 is given now. So take 35 above and 35 below. Okay. So this is the minor axis. So this total is 35 above and 35 below. So this is points is C and D. A, B, C, D, 4 points is given. By using these 4 points or by using this concentric circles method, draw an ellipse. So what you have to do? First to go for draw a circle by using this minor axis and as well as major axis diameter. So take the center point, this is O. Take center point is O, up to B is the radius. Draw a circle. Okay, like that. Draw the circle. First circle. So diameter is 100 mm. So radius of the circle is 50 mm. So take the diameter radius and draw the circle. And second one is, by using the center point up to this and up to C is the radius, draw another circle. So these are two circles by using two diameters. Draw a circle. Now divide this circle into equal number of parts. So they extend this line, axis line, assume that this is axis line, and extend this axis line. Now divide this either major circle or minor circle. Divide into equal number of 12 parts. So total 360 degrees divided by 12. Okay. So 30 degrees is you will get. So 30. So total 90 degrees now. So you will get 3 parts here. So 1, 2 and 3. Here also 1, 2 and 3. So here also 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Total 12 parts you will get. So join these all the points through this center point. Extend the line. From the center point, extend the line. From the center point, extend the line. From the center point, extend the line. So these are the 12 equal number of parts. So give the numbering from, you can start from either here or here. So assume that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So 12 equal number of parts. Now what you have to do? Go for all the points from outer point. Only one point you must remember here. From outer circle, suppose here is given 1. So internal cutting point circle you give, mark the point 1 dash. Suppose this is 2, internal cutting this is 2 dash. Outside is 3, inside is 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, 12 dash. Okay. Like that, give all the marking outside and inside. Next step is Next step is, only thing you remember that from all the points, all the circumference cutting points of the outer circle. So from the outer circle, draw a vertical line, and that vertical line should be parallel to vertical axis line. And from internal, same line from internal point, draw a horizontal line. That horizontal line should be parallel to horizontal axis line. Okay, so I will draw here. Suppose first point is this only, so you will get this point only. So second point is this is, so from the point 2 I am drawing vertical line like that. So this vertical line should be parallel to this vertical axis line. Okay, and for this point, second point is 2 point, internal point is 2 dash. So from 2 dash internal surface, draw a horizontal line. So see here, vertical line is parallel to this line and horizontal line is parallel to this horizontal line. So these 2 points are intersecting here. So mark that point. 2 points are intersecting at this point. So mark this point. This point is P1. P1. In the same manner, from point 3, draw a vertical line. This vertical line should be parallel to vertical axis line, and from 3 dash draw the horizontal line. So next point, 4 point you will get here. Fifth point is vertical line, horizontal line. Vertical line, horizontal line. So you will get another 2 points here. So next point you will get a D point here. So 8 point is vertical line, horizontal line. Vertical line and a horizontal line. You will get here. Next point is this is. So vertical line, horizontal line. Vertical line, horizontal line. So this point and this point. So now you mark all the points. Mark all the points. See here, this point you will get, this point you will get, this point, this point, this point. So mark all the 12 points. Sorry, this is not. This is and this point and this point. So mark the 12 points and now join all the points. So P1, P2, P3, P4 like that. So I'll join all these points by a with freehand sketch. So in examination, you must show the difference between these all the projections line and actual drawing. So if you draw all the lines with HV pencil, so you will not get any marks. Why? Because our intention is to draw this ellipse by using this method. So all the lines are construction lines, background lines. These are, we can call it the background lines with 2H pencil, and this solution with HV pencil. So after completion of the figure, whatever the dimensions is given, go for dimensioning, numbering. So how to dimension the figure, how to give the numbering, and how to maintain HB and 2HB difference, everything we will discuss in the previous video. Okay. So this is the first method. Next we go for second method. Okay. Okay. So next one is rectangle method. So in this rectangle method, so major axis is given 100 mm and minor axis is given 80 mm. So rectangle method, same previous parallelogram method what we discussed, the same thing. Okay. So small change is there here that I am giving here clearly. So AB is equal to 100 mm. So take AB is equal to 100 mm here. So just you take 100 mm here. This length is equal to 100 mm. And height is equal to this. Minor axis is equal to 80 mm. So AB is equal to 50 and this height is equal to AB is equal to 100 and this height is equal to 80 mm. Now divide this into equal number of 4 parts. So from the middle, so major axis 100 now. So take 50 mm, mark the point and draw the vertical axis line. And the minor axis total 80 mm. So at 40 mm draw the horizontal axis line. So you will get 4 boxes. This is 1 box, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4 boxes you will get. So first part give the numbering here. So this is a B, C, D, E, F and this is G and this is H. Okay. Now A to H divide into equal number of parts. Whether you can go for 4 parts or 5 parts as your wish. So I am dividing here 4 equal number of parts. So directly you can divide or indirectly also you can divide. So whatever the distance is there, A to G 40 mm. So 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm will take. 4 10 mm means 40 mm will get. So from here G to D also 4 equal number of parts. In the same manner this side also same transparent divide into equal number of parts. So join this all the points, upper point join to upper node point E and down point 1, 2, 3 all the points join to down node point F. Up to this is clear. So this side as same transparent to this side also. Why? Because half of the ellipse you will get this side, remaining half same position you will get that side. Now what you have to do? G2, this O point, center point is O. G2O, whatever the distance is there, this also divide into equal number of parts. If you are dividing here equal number of side, equal number of 4 parts, then must and should you go for GO is equal to 4 equal number of parts. Suppose here G2A you are dividing equal number of 6 parts, then definitely you go for G2O also 6 equal number of parts. So we are going now here 4 equal number of parts. Why? Because G2A or G2D we divided equal number of 4 parts. Okay, so take midpoint, this point and this point. These are the 4 points. 4 points. So give the numbering 1, 2 and 3, or 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. In the same manner, this is center point is 4. Okay. Here also go for 4 equal number of parts. So 1, 2 and 3. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Okay. Now this point joining is very, very important. So see carefully how I am joining. F point to 1 point and extend this line up to 1. Okay, 1 dash to 1. F to 1, it is passing through 1 dash, or the from F it is passing through 1 dash and extend up to 1. Next F to 2 dash passing through dash and extend up to 2. F to 3 dash passing and extend up to 3. Okay, 3 points you will get. In the same manner, opposite side from the top to bottom. How? From the E through 1 dash, E to 1 dash and extend up to 1. E to 2 dash and extend up to 2. E to 3 extend up to 3 dash. So all the points are passing similar points and extend up to the similar points. So you will get these all the P1, P2, P3 points you will get. So join this all the points and draw from the E, join up to this point, this point, this point from the G by joining this. So join all the points. So you can see clearly half of the ellipse. Same similar method you go for this side also. So you will get similar points, you will get opposite side. Similar method you go for this side. So this is regarding second method, rectangle method. Next we go for third method. Okay, this is third method. This is third method, parallelogram method of ellipse. So here AB is equal to 80, 100 mm and minor axis is equal to 80 mm and angle theta is equal to 70 degrees. Same method as a parabola method, but the only thing is how ellipse we drawn in the previous rectangle method of ellipse. Same method, only difference is we are taking 70 degrees extra here. Angle is given between these two lines. In the previous method, the rectangle method, directly we took the rectangle 100 by 80. So here only we are taking angle, just we are making in a parallelogram. So method everything is same, but once again I will explain. So whatever this length is there 100 mm, take center point and draw the axis line. And here also whatever this 80 mm length is there, take center point and draw the horizontal line. So you will get 4 boxes. So divide first box into, suppose this is A, B and C. So A to B divided equal number of parts and C to D are also equal number of parts. So suppose you are dividing 4 equal number of parts. Here also 4 equal number of parts, 4 equal number of parts and 4 equal number of parts. In the middle also divide into 4 equal number of parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So A to O also divided equal number of 4 parts. From this point to this point also divided equal number of 4 points. In the previous case same as join all the points. So suppose this is 1 passing through 1 up to 1, passing through 2 up to 2, passing to 3 up to 3, like that. All the points first join to node point, then draw the marking points. So you will get number of points here. So see the clear video, previous video, same video. So just follow the same rules, you will get the ellipse. Okay, by using this parallelogram method. Next we go for fourth method. It is four center method. It is very, very important method and number of times is asking in the examinations. We will discuss method 4. Okay, friends, this is the fourth center method. Next method is four center method. Is very important method. And here in this four center method, four centers he will give. Four centers you have to find out, and 4 points will give. As per measurement, 4 points will give major axis and minor axis. By using the 4 points and through the 4 centers we have to draw an ellipse. So just I will give here AB is equal to 100 mm and CD is equal to 80 mm. Okay. Draw a ellipse by using this 4 center method. So first take the horizontal line. Length of the line is equal to AB is equal to 100 mm. It is clear. And CD is equal to take center point and draw the 80 mm, 40 and 40. From here 40. Suppose C this is and this is D. 40 mm. So 40 plus 40, 80 mm. So major axis and minor axis. It is given. So step by step procedure, listen carefully here. First step is join the line. So this is given data. You have to join the line AC by a straight line. A to C join by a straight line. First step. And second step is extend the C line. Extend the minor axis line. Unknown length, just to extend the minor axis line. Now this is the O, center point O. Keep the compass at center point C up to radius is equal to A. The meaning is half of the major axis. So A to O is the radius, O is the center, and draw a arc. O is the center, up to A is the radius, draw the arc. While drawing this arc, it cuts the extended minor axis line at this point. Okay, this point is E. This point is E. Now C is the center, up to E is the radius, draw a arc, reverse direction. While drawing this arc, it cuts the AC line. Mark that point. That point is F. Now see here, A to F is the some unknown length. A to F is the some length of the line. So bisect this line. So we know the bisecting of line. Take more than half is the radius. Draw the two arcs both sides of the line. And with the same radius, opposite side, cut these arcs and join these two lines. So you will get a equal bisection. This we discussed in previous videos, geometrical construction videos, so that we can see the geometrical construction videos. So A to F bisect the line. So A to F is the distance. So A is the radius, A is the center point, more than half is the radius. Draw the arc both sides of this line, and with the same radius, F is the center, and cut this arc. Now join these two points and extend the line. Okay, extend the line. Join these 2 points, extend the line. So you will get two equal bisects. So while you are extending this line, it is passing through major axis line. Mark that point. So this is center O, center 1. This is center 1. Same line we are extending, and if you extend this from point D, you will get another point here. So this is center 2. And A to this center point, whatever the distance is there, from B to same distance if you mark here, this is center 3. And D to this 2 point, how much distance is there? So same distance you mark here, outside point. From C, just mark here, you will get another point, center 4. So see here, center 1, center 2, center 3 and center 4. 4 centers you will get. So by joining this A, B, C, D, 4 points, by joining 4 points, and through the 4 points, these 4 points you have to join. But by using these 4 centers, we have to construct an ellipse. You must remember carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the center. From the centers you have to draw. But the limit points are A, B, C, D. Okay, you should not forget A, B, C, D. So listen carefully. Suppose 1 is the center. 1 is the center. Up to B is the radius. Draw an arc. Unknown length of the arc. Now come this side. 3 is the center. The limit point is A. Up to A is the radius. Draw an arc. This side. So 2 centers is over and 2 limit points is over. Next go for D point. So now center is here 2. So 2 is the center and here limit point is C. So up to C is the radius. 2 is the center, up to C is the radius. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. In the same manner, 4 is the center. 4 is the center and limit point is D. So up to D is the radius. Draw here arc. So automatically these points, corner points, see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Just you make a smooth curve at these corner points with freehand sketch. Okay. Now join. Now thick the all the this ellipse with HB pencil. So you will get a perfect ellipse by using this 4 center method. So this is also very important method. And last method, this is also very important. We will go for last method, 5th method, foci method or arcs of circles method. Okay, next method is arcs of circles method. So listen carefully, this method is very important. So here A to B is given 70 mm and C to D is given 30 mm, 35 mm. Okay. So I am taking one horizontal line. First to draw the horizontal line and mark at any point on this line. So that point name is O. Center point, assume that. Unknown length of the line is there. So take one point. It is point O. So from this point, take the distance first to AB is equal to 75 mm. So vertex point distance is given 75 mm. So V1 to V2 or A to B is given 75 mm. This point to this point. So 35 is this side and 35 is this side. Okay. And next is CD is equal to given 35 mm. So take half of the distance F to O and O to F2. Okay. So half of the distance here and remaining half of the distance here. So always center point is O. And from F1 take number of points, equal points. Suppose of F2 one is 5 mm, 5 mm, 5 mm, 5 mm. Like that you mark 5 points or 6 points or 7 points. Depends upon your time availability in the examination. So first number of points cutting is very important here. So listen carefully. A to 1 is the radius. So I am writing here A to 1 is the radius. Okay. Radius. A to 1 is the radius. And F1 is the center. F1 is the center. A to 1 is the radius. F1 is the center. And draw the arc. Draw the arc. Okay. Draw the arc. So A to 1 is the radius. F is the center. Draw the arc. Like that you draw the arc. Same with the same radius. With the same radius. F2 is center. Draw the arc. This side also. So similar at a time you will get full ellipse. Otherwise you will get only half of the ellipse. Same method you have to go for this side also. And how to cut this arc? For that B to 1 is the radius. So instead of A, now we are taking B to 1 is the radius. B to 1 is the radius. F2 is center. F2 is center. F2 is center. And cut the arc. F2 is center and cut this opposite arc. With the same radius, F1 is center. cut the arc opposite side also. So at a time, if you take 1 point, 1, 2, 3, 4 cutting points you will get. 4 points you will get. In the same manner, I will show second point also. Listen carefully once again. A to 2 is the radius. A to 2 is the radius. F1 is the center. So always F is the center. So draw the arc. Draw the arc. With the same radius, F2 is center. Draw the arc this side also. Draw the arc opposite side also. Now B2, 2 is the radius. F2 is center and cut this arc. With the same radius, F1 is center, cut the arc opposite side. So like that you will get 4 points or 5 points. Okay. So you will get remaining points like that. If you join this all the points, if you join this all the points from A to B and all the points, you will get a ellipse. You will get an ellipse of arcs of circles method, or we can call it is Foci method. So in this ellipse, these 5 methods are very, very important. So we can conclude this other methods of ellipse. So I am expecting you might have clear with this information. So any doubts you can give me in the comment form, in the comment box. So please like everyone and share everyone, and please subscribe, and thank you for your support. And next video we go for other methods of hyperbola. So with these other methods of hyperbola, we can conclude these conic sections. Okay, thank you. Thanks again once again.